How to pause location on Find My iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. On this page, tap on Share My Location as shown. Here, make sure that the Share My Location option is turned off. Alternatively, go back and swipe down on the screen to open the Control Center. Here, tap on Airplane Mode at the top to turn it on. As you can see, you are now in airplane mode and cannot share your location. Following these steps, you can easily pause location on Find My iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.